Leapfrog Crypto here. Just a quick reminder, all the content here is purely educational, showing you how I use bots in crypto trading. This isn't financial advice, I'm simply sharing my experiences and strategies. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading! Welcome to our tutorial on moving averages. Moving averages are a lagging indicator and if used correctly are powerful and can also show market cycles and also how to highlight areas of significant support and resistance. Very similar way to how we would measure our support and resistance levels using Fibonacci levels. Today let's dive into moving averages. Moving averages smooth out price action, showing the direction of a trend. The simple moving average calculates the average over a set period, while the exponential moving average, which we don't have on our charts at the moment, gives more weight to recent prices. Crossovers like the 50-day and the 200-day moving averages can signal bullish momentum, known as a golden cross. Let me just get to the chart and show you exactly where the moving average is crossed. It was over here. This is where we got our bullish cross, right over here on this candle. And you can see that the 21-day crossed over the 51-day. There's also a bigger cross here when the 50-day, the white one, crosses above the 200-day. These are known as bullish crossovers, alternatively known as a golden cross for the 50 and 200-day crossover, and a silver cross for the 21 and 50-day crossover. Let's just scroll out again. The blue line here is the volume-weighted average price, VWAP. This is a very important level where we find support and resistance flips. Here, we can see this green candle came up into resistance, dipped back down, was rejected, and once we confirmed this as support, the price continued up. So this is a bullish VWAP, and when it is above price, it's a red VWAP, volume-weighted average price. Price can retrace to any of these moving averages. We could get a bounce from the 21-day, a powerful bounce from the 50-day, or on a very deep retracement, a solid bounce off the 200-day moving average.